Good afternoon, YouTubers. Let's get the light away from my... There we go. Okay, RB Debs here. It's Saturday, and I've been making a lot of phone calls. And basically the purpose of this video is in regards to insuring your RV, the contents and the, of course, traveling full coverage. Well, I've been with Geico. That's what my husband had the truck with for many years. So I called them today and told them what kind of trailer that I bought and that I'd be traveling for at least 6 months across the country here and there. And so they came up with a price. Now, I have a 2007 Chevy Avalanche, so basically I pay about $100 a month to be fully covered. And they gave me a price of fully coverage. They even included roadside assistance, which I will take out because I'm going to go with Good Sam. But the roadside assistance is $25.10 every 6 months. So I'm not sure how good they are. They say that they will, do the job for the RV. I don't know. But anyway, the whole thing came to $242.10 for 6 months full coverage, and with a $500 deductible as far as wrecks and all that goes, I guess, and that's including medical. So the whole total with my truck will be a monthly charge of $140.78, or $844.70 for every 6 months. Well, I'm already paying $100, so I would be adding the travel trailer completely covered for another approximately $40 a month, maybe a little bit less if I take out that $25.10. So I'm thinking it's pretty fair, and I thought, well, let me put a video out and see what you all have for coverage on your RVs or your travel trailers and your cars, and see what you think. I'm willing to call a few more companies and get some quotes on the whole thing if you think I can get it cheaper. But I'm really thinking that $140 a month total insurance isn't really too bad. I'd like it to be less, but then I have a lot of insurance on my truck. So that's what this video is about, is what kind of insurance should I get? I have a couple weeks before I'm going to put the insurance on. Also, I did order a couple more things. I've heard in other videos about bugs and how the wasps, the daubers or whatever they are, like to make nests in the water heater vents and things. So I ordered all of the vents that I have to be covered in the very thin mesh they use. So that's something I did today. And what else? I'm doing pretty much everything you have to do to get ready, that's for sure. A lot of it is I'm going to try to keep my anxiety down to a minimum. I don't plan on doing too much this weekend. Next week's busy for me. I've got a doctor's appointment, and a couple of dinner friends are having me for dinner. So this weekend's been slow, and that's good, and my stomach's not feeling so great, but it's not as bad as it was yesterday. So I'm just going to be calm, continue moving things around and making my piles, and just slowly moving towards the moving date. And I have gotten... Rory has promised that he could help me to park that travel trailer the first time by my house here, so that I leave enough room for everybody and they don't complain. So I'm going to have him do that and really appreciate the help. And then I have a couple of good friends that said that they'll come over, so I think things are going to work out. I don't want to make my stomach hernia any worse. I'm sure it's not going to be doing great, but so that's the story right now. Is I want to find out about insurance, and I think that Geico's has a good price, $140 a month. That with my Verizon is another 150 at least. So we're talking 300's gone out of my social. And that's not even counting medical insurance. So we're talking, you know, it's expensive to live no matter whether you're in an RV or an apartment or a house. Things cost. And the bigger your toys, the more they cost. Anyway, I'm going to let the video end here. Thanks very much for all your comments, and I hope you have a great night, and maybe I'll talk to you later. If not, very soon. And thumbs up, peace, and love.